Now, your live Doppler 8 First Alert weather.
All right, and welcome back. We're taking a look at our day track over the Lake of the Ozarks. A very beautiful sunset out there across the lake with a few passing high clouds out there, and those will continue to thicken up over the evening and overnight hours and into tomorrow as we bring it back inside. We'll take a look at the weather headlines and what exactly is going to happen here across the central Missouri area over the next few days. And well, Saturday can continue to be warm. Increasing clouds, though, ahead of that cold front, which will come through here Sunday, bringing some rain. Now, wet weather pattern will be setting up the first half of the week, which will bring us several rounds of showers and maybe a few thunderstorms. However, by Thanksgiving, I think we do dry out, which is going to be some good news for the holiday. Now, taking a look at the satellite and radar across the area the last 12 hours, really nothing to talk about. We saw sunny skies out there for today, and really the only thing we see is a few high and mid-level clouds starting to make their way into the area. That will continue overnight, like I said. Now, temperatures right now across the region, we're in the 40s and 50s, upper 40s and lower 50s, and that will continue to decrease as we make our way through the night. Across the region right now and outside your door, 50 degrees in Brunswick, 50 degrees in Sedalia, and down at the state capitol, just a degree warmer at 51 degrees. Now, the winds very strong from the south at sustained 15 miles per hour, and that helped us to warm up very much today. Really, we are very, very warm now. Right now, we are a good 16 degrees warmer than we were at this time yesterday, so you can see that those southerly winds are really in full force and helping us to warm up. However, those winds did keep it feeling chilly, even though it was warmer than yesterday. Here at Columbia, it is 50 degrees, a few passing clouds out there in the sky, dew point very low, and the relative humidity very low as well, which we expect to see with a very low dew point. For the record today, we topped out at 58 degrees, a few degrees above normal, and our morning time temperature 32 degrees, still no rain and a drought. Now, taking a look at the satellite radar across the Midwest and the entire country, a high pressure down to the south, really helping to funnel warm air up the central part of the United States, and then a low pressure up near Canada with a trailing cold front. Now, that cold front's going to really start to scoot on down to the area late Saturday night and into Sunday. But until then, Saturday is looking great with plenty of very warm air going to rise up from the south. And really, you can't complain about tomorrow except for a few extra clouds. So for tonight, we'll drop it back down to 40 degrees, partly cloudy and relatively mild, though, because of those southerly winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And tomorrow, that all-important game day forecast for tailgating in the morning. It's going to be chilly, 58 degrees, but keep the jacket around because it's going to be very windy, a mix of sun and clouds, and I think we'll expect that for most of the day. Like I said, clouds will be thickening up as we make our way into the afternoon hours. Now, 65 will be our daytime temperature kickoff. Very mild, very breezy. I think the winds might affect the game a little bit, but really still can't complain. This time in November, 65 degrees, and then your drive home, 57 degrees for the drive home, still cloudy and breezy. Now, taking a look at my live Doppler 8 First Alert 5-day forecast. Saturday, warm and breezy. Saturday night, we get that cold front to come in through here, and that's going to bring us several rounds of showers Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I'm not expecting an all-day rain event, but I do think that we're going to see lots of water here. But by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the Black Friday and Thanksgiving forecast, it's going to be dry for people camping out all night, and Thanksgiving should be pretty darn nice.
That's good news, yes, and a dry Black Friday improves odds a great deal.
Yes, it
Thanks
sure
a lot.
does.
Students at